back seat on this side. Tell me when you guys are ready to go.
For sure. Yeah, let's do it.
You ready? Woohoo! Going down the pit lane.
Shoreline Drive.
All right, here we are. Welcome to Long Beach.
Yeah, but feel free to tell us about the track as you're driving around if you'd like.
All right, so we're going to turn 1, which is a beautiful turn. When you enter it from pit lane, you got to wait till you get all the way outside the yellow. Now you're on Long Beach. The famous mountain corner. And you just put everything you got down. 600 and plus horsepower from the M5. 4-wheel drive. Wheel spin is a thing of the past. Now it's just put the power down and go.
And this is just from the production model of the
Production car. I mean, I've been running around the race cars, and it's exactly as fast as that Porsche car that I'm running with.
Nice.
For a street car, this is what you go and get your groceries with. So imagine how potent it is, you know?
Yeah, yeah. That's a risky corner back there. I remember there was a prototype crash last year. It was pretty big.
They're all risky corners in Long Beach. That's the problem.
This is my favorite section of the course right here.
This is where it gets slippery from all the drifting rubber gets put down. So you get in here, it looks like it should be grippy, but it's less grippy.
And the hairpin. Out of the Shoreline Drive again.
In our race cars, this isn't even a turn in our race cars. In this car, it's fast, 145 miles an hour.
Wow. Back onto Aquarium Way, the fountain section again. Very little margin for error around here yet. Bill Auberlen, the pro he is, making the most of it for sure. Avenue, left-hand corner, over the crest, Seaside Way back here, down the straight under the bridge, under braking it, second longest straight, circuit into that section again. Paddocks to our left, or IMSA as well. And then the hairpin. Inches away from the wall on either side. Let's go for another lap.
I'm going to take you for a cool-off lap. So
all right.
Cool this thing down.
That's great. That's great. Thank you so much, Bill. Really appreciate this. Driving in the North American Endurance Championship, not the full-time car?
Exactly. I'll start to do GTD now. So I'm over with Turner. We're doing a lot of testing now. So I'll start to do those races, which will be great fun for me.
That's
something
great.
new.
What do you think about GTD not racing here this year?
I'm so bummed out. This is my home circuit, and I've had good success here, so I'd like to keep doing it here if possible.
Yeah.
You know? This is so fun. Just threading this needle through these walls is something that I just love to do.
Yeah. I don't know if you remember last year's finish with the Corvette getting trapped and the GT cars in the last corner.
Yeah, we made a bad pit strategy call. We went from basically almost the front to very back. I knew it was going to be a difficult one, so we split strategy on both cars, and it put our sister car to the lead of the race, which was perfect. But then it had a slight mechanical issue, which put it back. So, but you know, sometimes it works out, sometimes it doesn't.
Strategy very important, and this is only a 100-minute race. This is the shortest race on the entire calendar.
Yeah, strategy is the most important thing for this.
What is it like having to be an endurance driver used to these 12-hour, 24-hour races, then having to focus on just 100 minutes?
You got to reset your brain, but the biggest issue is people think, oh, it's 100 minutes, I got to do something really radical, and those are the people you see get caught up in accidents. You got to still be clean, and I mean that's the reason I always can tend to do pretty well here, is because I don't get caught up in all that stuff, you know, the accidents. I try not to.
All right, thank you so much, Bill.